Hoy, tita.
Nagkataya na ako ng ano ba?
Wow.
Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. On the sun, the rise, on the sun, the sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. On the sun, the rise, on the sun, hey, hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, on the sun, the rise, on the sleigh. Hey, jingle bell.
Mga roling, tara. Let's go caroling tuning nung boy boy. Ha? Gising na. Gising na. Bilis. Come on. Oh, first time nung mga roling kami. Mga roling kami. Dito na natin niya. Okay, 1, 2, 3, sing.
Jingle all the way, on the songs to ride, all the sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. On the songs to ride, all the sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Malaki-laki dapat to, ha?
Songs to ride, all the sleigh. Hey,
May gitarista pa kami, ha?
jingle bell, jingle
Pastor.
all the way.
Dahil magaling ka, ito.
Wow. Oh, Pastor, you get it. Wow. Thank you, Ningnon. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Chocolate. You see, tomorrow we will, caroling again.
Yeah.
Tomorrow again, okay?
Yes.
We practice more and we'll go to All Tita. Open it, okay? Thank you. Go. Sige na, you just, bring Janus there. Oh, punta. Go. Go near the door of Kuya. Oh, car, motor. Go, you go near the door. Bibigyan kaya itong dalawa. May silip pa si... Oh, say thank you, Kuya. They just practice. Thank you. Oh, wow, so many. It's okay. We give you 3 for you, 3 for you, 3 for you, and 3 for Ate. Also, Ate Hab. Ano ba naman ito? Hey, in the caroling, you need to be fair.
Sano?
Yun pa rin yung 40 pesos. Yeah, enjoy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that the last one?
Do you want to go next?
I don't know.
To Tita Jenna. Let's go to house.
No louder.
No. Tita Jenna, labasin mo naman yung dalawa. Isa Ninang Nate. Oh wow! Thank you, Kuya Nathan. Tomorrow all of us, ha? Tomorrow you join us. Thank you, Kuya.
$1.
$1? Wow, and how many the coins?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow, so many! Wow. Okay, we're heading to Ninang Willin's house. Oh, she's at okay, Ninang Willin, ready? Pansinin mo, tita. Tagal naman lumabas, Ninang. Kakayod kami eh. Oh, how much, Ninang? How much Tita Willin gave you? $1 again? Have already. $1 daw. Wow, you already have $2 and coins. Wow!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow, salam! Punta na tayo kay Tita Lisel. Baka $2. Ay, hindi, pounds dito, pounds. Tita Lisel! We'll do ano?
Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell.
May nakaso yung tatlo? Yes, sige, 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 sige. Yung kaya Sean? Ha? Ayun, sige. Ano okay na, ha, Sean? Ay, sige, first. Oh, may dance pa, oh. May dance pa. Ayun na. Thank you, how much is it? Dilim kasi ng cellphone.
Hey, jingle bell, jingle
Ano ba kasi lubat na? Bigay sa natin, oh. Louder. Louder.
Wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Miss you Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you Merry Christmas.
Louder, baby, your guitar.
Merry Christmas. Your guitar!
No, don't shout to Janus. Naku, naihina yung nagigitara. Ano ba yan? Let's, mother, naihina nga yung nagigitara. Sorry, baby. Here na, oh, Nanay Belo.
Come here na, what you want?
Naihina tuloy yung nagigitara itong mga... Ayan.
Pag ibang bata sabihin nyo, wala ako.
Abilis!
O, sandali ha. May kukunin ako sa'yo pa. Demo ko.
Oh, wow!
Muna.
Abilis na, jingle bell!
O, nangangarap din ngayon. O, may dala pang gitara o ngayon. Hindi nyo si nanay ha. May dala yan. Sokolate sa inyo.
Nay, ham! Alam mo na, Nay!
O, nay. Alam mo na daw, nay ha.
Bilis na!
Mga nangangaroling o.
Gising na! You want to sing caroling to Ning Nong?
Yes.
Okay. You start it. Start it. Jingle bell. Okay. Jingle bell like that. Bilis na, ayusin na.
Kata ka na. Pag binigay ko kasi, salamat agad eh. Thank you. Ano kaya yun?
Bilis na, nakatingin na sa kawin mo.
Nakatingin na ako dito.
Hindi na makakanta.
Kata ka na muna. Bago tayo mag-abutan eh.
Sige na.
Tayo.
You sing a song
Kanta ka na
na.
Ising te.
Ay, hirap kausap ng bata eh.
Kailangan kumanta ka na muna. Jingle bell. Pag kayo naman yung tsokolate, sabi niya, thank you.
Pastor na, you sing na.
O, ito na. Bigay mo muna. Marami ka na utos sa kanta, ha? Ha? Gabi ka pa. Pag di abot yung tsokolate, thank you.
Is it yummy? You say thank you, Ninong. Oh no. What? So hard? It's so hard to sing alone? Alone? Alone. You say, hey Kuya, I'm going to caroling here. Please listen and give me money. You go there to Kuya. He said, hey Kuya, I'm going to sing and give me money. Bilis.